In this video we look at Dataclasses, a Python feature that automatically writes the repetitive setup code for classes that exist mainly to hold data. A data class is a regular Python class with a decorator that does the tedious setup work for you. You just list your fields and their types, and Python handles the rest. First, we import the Dataclass decorator from Python's built-in Dataclasses module. This module ships with Python, so there is nothing extra to install. We place the @Dataclass decorator directly above the class definition. That single line is the instruction that triggers all the automatic code generation. Inside the class, we simply list each field with its name, a colon, and a type hint. Here x and y are both integers. Python reads these declarations and builds the initializer automatically. On the last line, we create a point with x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, then print it. Because the decorator also writes a repr method, the output is nicely formatted with no extra work. Running the file prints point, x equals 1, y equals 2. That readable output came from the auto-generated repr method, proving the decorator did its job. Without the decorator, you would have to write dunder init, dunder repr, and dunder eq yourself. That is many lines of repetitive code. The data class decorator writes all three for you instantly. To recap, import data class, add the decorator, declare your fields with type hints, and Python takes care of the rest. Data classes are the clean modern way to create data holding classes in Python.